Hello everyone, welcome to Mifeng IQ. Today's challenge is packed with 50 questions and there is one special twist. Every answer is in the name of a color. At the end, a special bonus question is waiting for you. 50 GK questions are waiting to test your brain. Choose the correct answer before the timer ends. Every correct answer earns you points. At the end, discover your rank from beginner quest to legend mode. Are you ready? Then let's start. What color does the sunset appear at the horizon? Red. What color does oxygenated blood appear? Bright red. Colors that are present in the USA flag. Option A. What color does oxygenated copper typically form? Green. Color of a Nobel Prize medal. Gold. What is the color of an emerald gemstone? It's green. What color does litmus paper turn in an acidic solution? Red. What color does lava appear when it comes from a volcano? Red. What color is titanium dioxide commonly used as? White. Color of an caramelized sugar turn into? Brown. What color does an amethyst crystal typically appear? Purple. Color of an bruised banana typically appear? Brown. What color does pH paper turn in a basic solution? Blue. The primary color of aurora borealis. A green. Oxidized silver typically appear in which color? Black. Sulfur powder in its pure form. Yellow. What color does rust appear on iron? Is red. What color does chlorine gas appear? Yellow-green. Color of an boiled egg yolk. Yellow. What color does a tungsten filament emit in a light bulb? White. A gold bar typically appears in which color? Orange yellow. Color of mercury in its liquid state? Silver. What color pattern does an oil spill show on water? A rainbow. What color does copper metal typically appear? Red-orange. Color of a red panda's fur. Reddish brown. What color does polished chromium appear? Silver. What color is the blue spot on a peacock feather? Cyan. What shade of blue is cobalt blue? Deep blue. What shade is cadmium yellow pigment? Bright yellow. What color does uranium glass appear under ultraviolet light? Green. The primary color of bioluminescence in nature is green. What color is turmeric powder? Orange yellow. The color of dye extracted from the indigo plant. Indigo. Color of an ash produced from fire. Light grey. What color does henna paste typically stain on skin? Red. Color of an saffron spice. Golden red. Color of an paprika spice. Orange red. The color of an matcha powder typically appear in jade green. What color is charcoal residue? Black. What color does an iodine solution typically appear? Dark brown. What color are the most top signs in countries worldwide? Red. What color does phenolphthalein turn into a basic solution? Pink. What color does a Congo red indicators show? Red. Color of and typically of healthy grass and leaves. Option C. What color does skin typically appear when lacking oxygen? Blue. What color represents the smallest wavelength in the visible spectrum? Violet. What is the color of deoxygenated blood? Blue. What color is produced when mixing red and yellow pigments? Orange. What color is the human eye most sensitive to? Green. What color does universal indicator paper turn in a neutral solution? Green. Let's see the bonus question now. What color do most species see as a warning signal? Comment your answer below. So, how many did you get right? Comment your score below and tell us your rank. If you enjoyed this challenge, like, share and subscribe to Mifeng IQ for more quizzes. See you in the next challenge.